Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Times of Ummah. Dear viewers, the top Afghan military commander has ordered residents to leave the capital city of Helmand, and I think the Afghan security forces are planning carpet bombing on area where Taliban have took control. According to a latest report, the Afghan army has prepared a major offensive to flush out Taliban fighters after 3 days of heavy fighting. Dear viewers, the Taliban have seized control of much of rural Afghanistan since foreign forces began the last stage of their withdrawal in May, but are now focused on capturing provincial capitals where they are meeting stiffer resistance. Dear viewers, the latest data shows that the Taliban have captured over 90% of the Afghanistan's territory, and the Taliban are now planning to take the provincial capitals. The Taliban have attacked on the most important capital of Helmand, and for 3 days fighting still continued. The reports also saying that the Taliban are near to take full control of the capital. According to the United Nations, at least 40 civilians have been killed in the last 24 hours. The commander of 215 Meband Afghan Army Corps, General Sami Sadat, has ordered civilians to get out as soon as possible. He told to over 200,000 civilians on media that please leave as soon as possible so that we will start our operation. He also said that I know it is very difficult for you to leave your houses. It is hard for us too, but if you are displaced for a few days, please forgive us. We are fighting the Taliban wherever they are. We will fight them and we will not leave a single Taliban alive. A reporter from Kabul said it was very dramatic move that came after one of the fiercest day of the fighting for the city. It is something they have decided to do, even though potentially they are letting people leave their homes and walk into an area which is a frontline war zone where there have been so many clashes going in recent days. He also said that it also potentially means there will be lots of people displaced from their homes. Where are these thousands of people going to go? Another reporter from Kabul said that the Afghan army strategy of sending in special forces and airstrike do put civilians in harm's way because it means they have to do fighting street to street and with bombs from the air in densely populated areas. Dear viewers, according to the latest data, the Taliban have seized over a dozen radio stations in Lashkargah and have left only a pro-Taliban channel broadcasting Islamic programming. The United Nations Assistance Mission has also tweeted deepening concern for Afghan civilians as fighting worsens. Dear viewers, recently Taliban has intensified its attacks and have took hundreds of districts from the Kabul security forces. A resident from Lashkargah told to AFP news agency that the Taliban are everywhere in the city. You can see them on motorcycles in the streets. They are arresting or shooting people who have smartphones. He added the Taliban are in the people's houses and the government is bombing them. About 20 houses in my neighborhood have been bombed. They are fighting street to street battles. Dear viewers, Lashkargah is almost near to fall to the Taliban, and it is highly expected that within some days the city will fall to the Taliban. The loss of Lashkargah would be a massive strategic and psychological blow for the government, which has pledged to defend cities at all costs after losing much of the rural countryside to the Taliban in recent months. Dear viewers, the fighting has continued in the various sides of Afghanistan, and according to our sources, the Afghan security forces are near to surrender. On Monday night, hundreds of civilians chanted Allahu Akbar from their rooftops in support of the Afghan security forces. Dear viewers, we always try to update you the best and the top news of the day, and we hope you will like our work. So if you want to support us, please make sure to subscribe our channel and get the latest updates from the whole world.